In this video, I'll show you how to add a home button on your iPhone 16, 16 Plus, Pro Max. This way, no matter where you are, once you tap on it, it brings you back home automatically, like the older iPhones. Let's get started. The first step is to open Settings on your iPhone. Then we need to scroll down until you see Accessibility. Right over here, tap on it. Then go down and select Touch. Make sure that Assistive Touch is turned on. By default, it's turned off. So tap on it and turn it on. You're gonna then see the button appear, and this button can be moved where you want on the edge of your phone, depending how you prefer that. If it's a home button, maybe you'll like it right in the middle down below. But you can change this at any time. As you see, once you stop touching this button, it will fade out. So you won't really see it, but it will always be there. Now we have a few options here. We have single tap. What does this button do when you just tap it once? Double tap and long press. You can actually have 3 different functions, not only a home button. But let's say you just want a home button, then you're gonna go in single tap. And over here in these options, you're gonna go down and select home. Then go back. And this is it. Now it's a home button. When I tap on it, it brings me back home. I can go again in the settings and assign double tap for something else. So let's say you want Control Center to appear on a double tap. Well, go over here, Control Center, go back. So now every time I double tap it, Control Center appears. If I single tap it, I go back. And if I tap it again, I go home. So again, very versatile. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.